In the Battlegrounds mobile game comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So right now I'll be using the settings which is a smooth and extreme settings between these both phones, and I'll be playing only at 60 FPS, and let's see which phone will be dropping or how much kind of FPS during this process of demonstration. And I'll try to drop exactly in the Pochinki during this time of testing, and that's what we're going to observe in this video, exactly what's gonna happen. And I'm trying to use a real-time FPS meter as well, which you can definitely see here, real-time FPS meter. So in this way we'll be able to concentrate exactly how much FPS we can actually get it. So later I'll try to do the bootcamp drop test as well. So I'll try to do the multiple maps drop test. So in this way we'll be able to understand exactly what's going on with the overall drop test between these both phones. These are tests which I'm trying to do after the recent Android 12 update and Realme UI 3.0 update as well. So let me drop exactly in the Pochinki only. And you can see the floating FPS meter, friends. That's a really good option which both phones do have. After the Realme UI 3.0 update, we're able to see it. Right now try to focus on the real-time FPS statistics between these both phones. Right now, as you can see, the real-time FPS meter, what's happening between these both phones. So try to focus, friends, exactly. I need to focus properly. Right now you should be able to see exactly what's going on between the two phones regarding the FPS drop test. So 58, 60, 59, not bad. So pretty close regarding the both phones regarding the FPS drop test. You can clearly see, friends, what's happening. And CPU and the GPU utilization, you can see only 10% is utilized in the Realme GT Neo 2, 9%, but 37% is utilized in the Realme X1 Max. You can see the CPU and the GPU utilization comparison, both phones side by side. So I just want to do the few minutes of gameplay between these both phones, just get to know what's happening as well during this process of testing. As you can see, overall, this is a Realme GT Neo 2 which I'm trying to use at this point exactly. Overall, it was able to maintain pretty good, and even after some long time gaming also, we need to check what's happening with FPS as well. But right now, you can see when both phones I'm trying to play on definitely 60 FPS. Just a drop test only. Next time we'll try to do the bootcamp drop test. What's happening with the bootcamp drop test as well. I'll try to do the video as soon as possible. Let's do the drop test exactly in the bootcamp right now in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. First we'll try in the Realme GT Neo 2, and then I'll try to start in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is a Realme GT Neo 2 which I'm trying to use, friends, during this time of testing. So you can see the CPU and the GPU utilization in the bootcamp, how much it is. So instead of doing both phones at the same time, I thought of doing individual like this, so you can actually concentrate on individual phones, how much FPS we are getting. So definitely, friends, using with the 60 FPS, it won't drop much. There's only drop of 56 FPS during this process of demonstration. Nothing much huge drop we have seen at this moment. So now we'll try to see, friends, exactly FPS drop test in the Realme X1 Max device in the bootcamp, and after this I'll try to end up this video because it's just an FPS drop test only. So let's do the drop test in the bootcamp. Here we go. So this is a Realme X1 Max. You can see the CPU and the GPU utilization 68%. In the Realme GT Neo 2, it was able to utilize only 10% and 12% the CPU, but right now in the Realme X1 Max, it's utilizing up to 50 to 60% as well sometimes, which you can definitely see here, friends, right now what's going on in this kind of drop test. 38% and 59 FPS, it's made in 61 FPS, not bad. 52 is the lowest value we have seen here. 52 is the lowest. So in the Realme GT Neo 2, the lowest is 56 lowest, but right now we are seeing 52 is the lowest value in the Realme X1 Max device as well. So there's a quick FPS drop test as well between these both phones, and right now even using the team deathmatch, it should not be any kind of much issues with the team deathmatch as well between these both phones. Right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to play the team deathmatch in the Realme GT Neo 2, and it was able to perform not bad. As you can see, overall the performance in the Realme GT Neo 2. So this is a quick drop test between these both phones regarding the Battlegrounds mobile game. I'm using with the 60 FPS only, smooth and extreme settings graphics. This is the test which we got right now comparing both phones. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and let's stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.